It's about a week later. Finally got actually a nice day, didn't we? Today's nice as I'll get out, but
take 3.
What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Yeah, we're gonna get this trains put in today. It's what? How many days later do you think?
I think it's been like 4.
Yeah, 4 days later. We haven't really had any nice days. Literally, it rained. The yard was so souped up. We were gonna do it yesterday, but didn't have the time because we're dealing with some other stuff. But today, yeah, this train is going in. Shouldn't take us but probably 3 hours.
Fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed. Don't forget about our 500 sub giveaway. If you're new here, thanks for subscribing, liking. We've been putting little shorts up. I don't know if you guys have been watching them, but we've been putting little shorts up. They're doing all right, but we'll keep doing that so you guys can kind of keep up with what we're doing when we're not posting 10, 15-minute videos, you know. But yeah, our 500 sub giveaway, 500 subs, obviously. All you have to be subscribed. Chemical Guys wash bucket.
Yes, sir.
With a
foam cannon,
and everything you need to detail your car, truck, and get the show on the road.
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah.
It's definitely heavier back here.
Oh yeah. Get it on the... Get on its head. Never shut the fuck up.
How's that gonna move?
Needs to tip like this.
And then drag it?
Yeah, and slide.
I'll come on that other.
Lift the trains up with our hands. Alright, we need to get this thing on a jack.
Okay. Probably just tilt it forward, I guess, and slide it into the wheel.
Hold on, just push. If we can just push one end closer. You know what I'm saying?
You push on your end and I'll pull.
Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's better. Hold on, let me move this camera. Is it recording?
Yeah, I can cut it if you want. Alright guys, well, we ran into some problems, so we changed the board around. We somehow managed to get it on the jack. Rim's over there hanging in.
Wrist is definitely messed up, but we're getting there.
Alright, now we get some hardwood.
Like the bottom?
Yeah. Right there. Super close, isn't it?
Yeah. Alright, hold on.
Hold on one end. I'll try the top.
Where's she going now?
imagine.
Knock your tooth out. Shut my cry balls.
Heck yeah! Break time! Break time!
Not happy about it.
Well, got him up there. So, we're gonna take a quick break. And, hey, we're taking a break.
There's the bolts in.
Yeah, we gotta do converter bolts. But the crappiest part is done and over with. So catch back up to you guys in the review.
So what are we doing now, Jerry?
Torque converter bolts.
Oh, yeah. What's today? Wednesday?
Tuesday.
Can you under it? Under it?
I'm wondering.
I just got all the weight on my bad wrist. That's why I was asking. Okay. Ready? Go! I'll push shaft.
Rotate it.
Push it up front.
There it goes. Included in the giveaway is a dog. Hey.
Where's that brother? Yeah, that cross member at.
Yeah. Pretty much done. I mean, all the hard parts done.
I took the battery out of here to put in there. I got to switch the battery over and then put the battery back in it. But yeah, it's pretty much, I mean, it's done. I mean, trans in it. There's literally nothing we have to do besides fill it up with trans fluid. Where are we headed?
Go to Napa, get some trans fluid and a filter.
Go to Napa, get some power driven diesel trans fluid and a filter.
Imagine. Yep. Get back and take her on a test route.
Take her on a test route. We take you guys along with us.
Yeah. Got the AC on today, man. It's 6
Transmission ain't shifting.
Yeah, it better be.
Where are we going? We headed to Ukraine. I built a new Napa over here. That place is nice.
Yeah, it is. It's huge.
Huh. But we got all the trans fluid and a filter kit. If anybody ever gets a filter kit for a 48 RE, This is a filter kit for a 47 RE, and this filter is a filter on both sides. The whole filter is a filter, if that makes sense. And then the stock one for the 48s are it's all metal, and then there's a slit in it about that big that the oil goes through. And I've just had line pressures be a little bit higher with this, and I mean, there's a lot more filter area with this, in my opinion.
Yeah.
But
so you ran those for several years.
Yeah, I've literally ran these out of 47 REs, or yeah, 47. I'm pretty sure that's what the sound of. I can't remember, but that's the part number for it. But yeah, I've always ran these in my 48s. This ain't the stock filter, but it's always done good, and I don't know, that's just what I prefer. But it comes with a 48 RE trans pan gasket and a 47. It comes with both of them. So I don't know. This is just what I've always ran. Works good for me.
Yeah.
What are you putting in your truck when we rebuild the trans? This one?
Yeah, I'm gonna be running that.
Oh yeah. But heading back to the house now, and gonna get the pan off, put this filter in, fill with trans fluid, and we'll take you guys on a ride and see how it shifts, because I have no idea. I mean, it should shift fine. It's literally brand new, but you never know.
And some trans fluid. Got Rim's battery back out of the Explorer. We were using it just kind of for a while, because the battery in it was just old, and we've had it for almost a year now. So Rim got his battery back in. We're gonna get some fluid in the converter, then put the rest of it in. This thing hasn't been started in a few days, huh? You know, Mountain Dew can?
Man, is it pork?
It is now.
Put it in drive. Put it in neutral. Cycle it a couple times. Go grab some diesel. That's first gear.
Just first?
Yeah. I don't know. governor pressure solenoid.
So basically, right now what we're doing is we're just kind of going over everything, checking everything out. At the moment, it shifts through like all the gears fine until we get to overdrive, and
but I just won't walk overdrive.
Just won't
Hey,
walk.
we had to put new solenoid in it. One solenoid was bad. We got overdrive now, and she's holding good, right, Jerry?
Oh yeah. Alright guys, we just got back into town.
Yep.
Shifting great.
Oh yeah, it's and so we put the trans in yesterday, put up full trans for the day, and it wouldn't go into overdrive. And we're like, you know, like that can only be a handful of things, or about 5 things. And so we dropped the pan again, drain all trans fluid out, dropped the pan, and a connector on the governor pressure was a little weird. Like, I don't know, the little pins were kind of funny, like, I don't know. So we put dielectric grease on there, and kind of, I don't know, they're not rigged or nothing, but they're just pushed in there better, I guess. Put dielectric grease on that and the transducer solenoid, and put them all back together, and
added a little bit more fluid.
2 more quarts of fluid, and it's perfect now.
Yeah, it's shifting good.
Yeah, I mean, shifting better than it ever has. But
yeah, we were definitely a little nervous at first because, you know, I mean, it is a lot of work, you know, to get it ripped out, and especially not on a lift or anything, and then, you know, go drive it that far and rebuild it and drag it back and put it back in, and then, you know, it's not perfect right off the rip. But I'm glad that we were able to get it figured out and, you know, get it shifting how it's supposed to be.
Yeah, it's literally shifting perfect now. I mean, it's ready to be sold. I got the plan with the truck. But yeah, we're here at the office and gonna show you, do a little walk around on the truck. Just, I don't know if it's sitting here or whatever. But don't forget about our 500 sub giveaway. Chemical Guys wash bucket. Comes with a foam can and everything you need to detail your vehicle or truck with, or car or truck with. And this was kind of not really an adventure. It would have been a lot faster if we had a lift. Honestly, we only have about altogether like 8 hours into pulling it and putting it back in. Yeah. Literally. And then the little stuff, I'd say 10 hours all the way into it. But it's shifting amazing now. But thanks for tuning in. Thanks for subscribing, liking. You know, we appreciate everybody. And you got anything else to say, Jerry?
No. Sounds good. Nailed it on the head.
No,
We will.
Right on the grape, huh?
Yeah. We'll see you guys next time.
Oh, yeah.